Imagine waking up one day with no home, no savings, and no safety net. Suddenly, the streets become your reality. The rising cost of living is hitting older adults. The hardest fixed incomes can't keep up with skyrocketing rents and soaring land prices, leaving thousands in fear of homelessness. But what if there was a way to escape this cycle? An opportunity to live without rent, land expenses, or high utility bills for just $5,795. A groundbreaking tiny home is redefining affordability with solar power, smart automation, and an ultra-efficient design. What exactly is inside this revolutionary dwelling, and can it truly offer a way out of the housing crisis? Let's take a closer look before we dive in. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Now let's explore how living without land is possible. A future where owning a home doesn't come with an overwhelming mortgage, high taxes, or rising rent may not be as far-fetched as it sounds. At an incredibly low cost, this micro-home challenges conventional real estate by eliminating one of the largest financial burdens, land expenses. Traditional homes have become out of reach for millions, with property prices climbing beyond reason in many states. Land itself makes up a significant portion of that cost, often reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. But this approach is different, offering homes that can be placed in shared communities, remote sites, or even locations where building expenses are minimal or non-existent, making homeownership more accessible. Unlike traditional houses, these compact dwellings measure just 140 square feet, allowing them to be set up in small spaces such as backyards or within new tiny home developments. Their efficient size enables multiple units to be installed in places where larger residences wouldn't be practical. Whether it's a retiree searching for an affordable option or a young professional looking for financial independence, this design makes owning a home a real possibility. While the average new house in the US is around 500 square feet, this tiny home is nearly 18 times smaller, yet provides everything needed for a comfortable and sustainable lifestyle. Beyond its compact design, this tiny home is fully self-sustaining. Traditional homes come with high costs for utilities, but this unit operates entirely off the grid, integrating cutting-edge solar technology to generate its own electricity without relying on power companies. On average, a household in the US spends over $2,600 annually on electricity, but with built-in solar panels, those expenses could be nearly eliminated. In addition, advanced water recycling and filtration systems reduce dependence on city water, saving thousands more each year. Without the need for public utilities, homeowners gain financial relief and long-term security. Instead of purchasing land, these small homes can be placed on underutilized rooftops, turning city buildings into vertical housing communities, maximizing space without contributing to urban sprawl or requiring new land development. They could also be adapted for floating platforms, allowing residents to live on water in areas where real estate prices are unattainable, offering an innovative alternative to traditional homeownership. Multiple owners could even pool resources to purchase or lease a single piece of land, reducing costs while maintaining an independent lifestyle, fostering eco-friendly communities powered by solar energy. Another possibility involves setting up designated tiny home areas at charging stations, allowing owners to relocate freely while maintaining access to essential services. This setup could create a new way of living where mobility, flexibility, and sustainability go hand in hand. Would you choose a tiny home to eliminate rent, taxes, and utility expenses? Unlike traditional homes that are permanent structures, these tiny houses are designed for mobility, weighing just 0 pounds. They can be easily transported by a variety of vehicles, making them one of the most adaptable housing solutions available. Homeowners can move without the hassle of selling property or navigating the unpredictable real estate market. Whether relocating within a city or across the country, this home can move with you, eliminating the financial and emotional burden of traditional moving processes. One of the greatest advantages of this tiny home is its rapid setup. While conventional houses take months or even years to construct, this dwelling can be installed in under 24 hours. Its modular design allows for quick delivery and minimal labor costs, saving homeowners tens of thousands in construction expenses and making it possible to move in almost immediately. The installation process is straightforward once placed on a suitable plot. The built-in solar system activates, providing instant off-grid energy, while the water filtration system ensures clean water access. High-quality insulation and climate control keep the home comfortable year-round. This rapid deployment capability makes these homes ideal for emergency housing solutions, In the aftermath of natural disasters, where traditional rebuilding efforts can take months, these units can be transported to affected areas, providing immediate shelter to displaced families, offering a practical response to housing crises. This home represents a revolutionary step toward complete energy independence. Unlike traditional residences that rely on an aging and often unreliable power grid, these homes are equipped with advanced solar panels, high-capacity battery storage, and high-efficiency insulation to ensure continuous energy supply. By incorporating a cutting-edge battery system, homeowners can generate, store, and use their own electricity, eliminating rising electricity costs, gaining full control over their power consumption. A key component of this home is its solar technology, capable of producing up to 6 kilowatt-hours per day, enough to power essential appliances, lighting, and even an electric vehicle. The stored energy ensures a steady supply even at night or during unexpected outages. Whereas traditional homeowners often pay thousands annually for electricity, these tiny homes could save owners over $30 in energy costs across a decade, making it both a smart and sustainable investment. Beyond energy independence, these homes are built with advanced insulation materials that maximize temperature control while minimizing energy consumption. Exterior walls use lightweight yet durable composite materials designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including winds of up to 120 miles per hour and temperatures ranging from 24 F to 124 F. The insulation system is 50% more effective than standard home insulation, while the triple glazed windows and heat-resistant roof reduce indoor heat buildup by 40%, leading to as much as 70% savings in heating and cooling costs. Another impressive feature is its resilience to natural disasters. Designed with fireproof materials capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1,824 F, it offers greater protection against wildfires compared to traditional homes. The reinforced structure can endure hurricane-force winds of up to 120 miles per hour, and its impact-resistant windows minimize damage during severe storms. Additionally, the flexible frame absorbs shocks from seismic activity, making it stable even during significant earthquakes, providing peace of mind in unpredictable environments. Water sustainability is another priority. These homes are elevated to prevent flood damage, while a built-in water filtration system purifies rainwater and gray water, ensuring a clean and reliable supply without dependence on municipal infrastructure. This added layer of self-sufficiency makes it an excellent option for those seeking full independence from city utilities. Despite its compact footprint, this tiny home is designed to maximize space efficiency. High ceilings create an open atmosphere, while smart storage solutions and multifunctional furniture ensure every inch is utilized effectively. Equipped with advanced automation features such as voice-controlled lighting, climate control, and security systems, homeowners can conveniently manage their living environment with ease. Although still a concept, this tiny home has the potential to transform the housing industry, offering a sustainable, cost-effective, and flexible alternative to traditional homeownership. Could this be the revolution needed to address the growing housing crisis? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates on groundbreaking innovations.